top story tonight. Healthcare staff, including nurses, are leaving the industry because of the state's mandate. Get tested weekly or have the COVID-19 vaccine.
News Channel 20's Alyssa Hui is working for you tonight with an update on where local hospitals stand with that vaccine compliance. Alyssa?
John and Stacy, after checking in with local hospitals, officials say a majority of their staff is following the state's vaccine mandate. Memorial Health says they haven't fired or suspended anyone over this vaccine mandate, but other people I spoke to say they're seeing people walk away over this.
Between last week and this week, we're looking at possibly 8 to 10.
That's the number of healthcare workers, specifically nurses in Illinois, who have left the healthcare industry altogether because of the state's vaccine mandate.
We need nurses in our hospitals. We don't need them leaving. And nurses have started to leave over the last 2 weeks.
Patricia Meade, the president of the Illinois Nurses Association, says they're urging their members and all those eligible to get the COVID-19 vaccine, but recognize those that decide not to.
I am respectful of everyone's opinion and everyone's situation. I have to be respectful of those who make the choice not to.
In Springfield, Memorial Health says nearly 78% of their workforce are fully vaccinated. Other hospitals, including Carle Health, say they've reached 85%. When we asked both of these agencies if their unvaccinated staff are complying with weekly testing, officials from Memorial Health did not provide an answer, but Carle Health says staff have been compliant with the state's testing guidelines. Despite whether healthcare workers agree with the mandate or not, Meade says it's something they can't afford to lose staff over.
We can't mandate to government what they come down with. We can only comply and ask to sit at the table and do something that is workable and doable and does not confound your principles.
We also reached out to St. John's Hospital. They didn't provide us any statistics, but they do say they are following the state's vaccine mandate. Now, IDPH says healthcare facilities can exclude their workers if they don't get the vaccine or comply with COVID-19 testing. Reporting live in Springfield, Alyssa Hui, News Channel 20.
Thanks, Alyssa. IDPH officials say that rule also means that hospitals, they have to keep track of those who are vaccinated, unvaccinated, and those who are testing weekly.